I'm originally from Indiana but haven't lived there in the chainsaw, the balloons, the machete, the nightmares shirt a very long time. I started vlogging before a trip I took and just could not believe my accent when the chainsaw, the balloons, the machete, the nightmares shirt, tank top, V-neck, ladies tee for men and women, sweatshirt, hoodie. I love how all shocked these people act that they have to the chainsaw, the balloons, the machete, the nightmares shirt, wear a mask, but I bet she wouldn't walk into a fine dining establishment in a bathing suit and pull the same crap. These people don't understand that at the end of the day it is a dress code, and dress codes have been around for a very long time. No one is mentioning their rights when it comes to that. Can you imagine some jerk standing outside of a nightclub because he can't get in due to the dress code making a scene about his constitutional rights? Other product.